Welcome friends. Today this video is the second part of our syllabus BSM 5 paper number CC 508 unit number 3 Mahesh Dattani's Tara. In our previous video we have discussed Mahesh Dattani as playwright, Mahesh Dattani's drama, his brief early life, his career as director and playwright, and his achievements. Today we are going to discuss about our topic Mahesh Dattani's Tara. Before we start Tara, let us have a look on Mahesh Dattani's dramatic setting. His plays range do not confined with the limitation of language, culture, and boundaries. His plays are limitless in terms of border and boundaries. For an example, in Tara, the story is about Indian Patel family, but the family's only son Dan, another name is Chandan, has gone to London, USA and stay there. Mahesh Dattani describe both culture and both lives in the play. His main focus lies on human relationship and especially family unity. His play's setting, I have mentioned 4 rooms, split rooms. It means shattered or disturbed family. Hidden rooms means every character has their own hidden agenda, identity, ideology, interior and exterior. This is the very interesting part of Mahesh Dattani's plays. You can compare it with Stream of Consciousness novel, where inner incidents, monologue, inner ideas, feelings are more important and prominent rather than outer incident and action. In the same way, Dattani's drama deal with one night action or one day action or a incident with characters, and the inner ideas, thoughts, feelings are prominent throughout the drama. Dattani shows interior human psychology in his drama. His drama is not confined in time limit. It can be moved between past and present, between life and death. You can say that each and every character transforms from past memory to present memory and present memory to past memory. It is also another characteristic of Stream of Consciousness novel. Drama is a kind of psychologist who constantly studies the psyche of character in terms of an average human being. His character moves easily throughout drama. You cannot find any villainous character or any heroic character in his drama. You can see an average middle class Indian typical mentality person or character in his drama. You cannot also find any great upheaval in his drama, any great action or a reaction in his drama, but he is a dramatist of marginalized people who suffer injustice in their lives. Now, issues and themes. I have told you that human relationships and people with their predicament, complexities, joy, and anguish are common elements in Mahesh Dattani's drama. His interest lies on human relationship, and during that small incidents and during that loopholes of relationship, he picks holes of social setting where the fault lies, and he reveals the hypocrisy, tolerance, emotions, and concerns of society in front of audience and readers. Sometimes a cause, a point of view, and a social message lies in his drama, especially at the end of the drama. For an example, Final Solution is one of the finest drama of Mahesh Dattani. It is a story of communal hatred between the majority and minority, narrating events just after independence and after 40 years of independence. He does not come out with a great solution of a final solution, but he give a minor middle way from the tension that forget the past and tolerate each other. According to Mahesh Dattani, the final solution of this tension between minority and majority can be the Muslims should tolerate Hindu religion and the Hindus should offer job to Muslims who have lost their properties. Mahesh Dattani does not interested to give final solution. He always believe in the middle way solution or the relaxation from tension. So he put a middle way solution or a social message from which you can come out with a minor solution at the end of the drama. He is a very, we can say, daringly dealt director and playwright who deals with religious tension, sexuality, and gender issues. We will see his different themes in the next slide, where we divide his dramas as per their themes. But it deals with the marginalized theme of the society. Generally, writers or dramatists do not discuss this kind of themes like sexuality, homosexuality, gender discrimination. But Mahesh Dattani is one of the playwrights who discuss these kind of marginalized themes. He talks about prevalent issues in the fast changing world. It means he is interested in a contemporary issues and complexity of Indian society. He focuses on day-to-day life and day-to-day issues of human being. He does not want to discuss a great theme of the world or economy or we can say society. He wants to focus on small struggle of human life, and from that small struggle he comes out with a great message, or we can say a universal message for the audience or reader. Stature and comparison. Mahesh Dattani, we can compare him with Girish Karnad, who is who was a great playwright, has contributed significantly to the Indo-Anglian drama of 20th century. We can also compare Mahesh Dattani with G.B. Shaw and Henrik Ibsen. Students, you have already studied G.B. Shaw in your semester 3 by he is one of the finest drama, Arms and the Men, where G.B. Shaw focuses on a fake realism, we can say a fake ideology of love and war, which generally people believe. G.B. Shaw gives the reality or real picture of war as well as love. He said that he is not opposed with war if necessary, but the people or you means the audience should see the real side of war where soldier remains hungry, frustrated, fearful and tired. War is not at all a glorified one. In the same way, Henrik Ibsen, we can say him the father of realism, who has the talent to show the society real or a reality. A Doll's House is the finest example of Henrik Ibsen's realism through the characters of Nora and Ibsen. Sorry, Nora and Helmer. Helmer and Nora, husband and wife. Nora remains faithful, loyal throughout her life, and Helmer proves disconnected and fake when it is needed for Nora. At the end of the drama of Doll's House, Nora leaves her house, which is most important thing of her life, her husband and even her children, to prove herself strong and to prove herself solid. But this is an example of destructive solution or destructive end of relationship, family and society. Here, Mahesh Dattani is somewhere different from Ibsen and G.B. Shaw. Mahesh Dattani's plays compared to those of G.B. Shaw in representation of society. G.B. Shaw satirizes on the fake idealism of society, Mahesh Dattani also reveals the hypocrisy of the society. He inspired by Henrik Ibsen, the father of realism, and Dattani has the Ibsenite talent for revealing the secrets of a family. As drama goes, each character come out with its secret agenda, like in Doll's House, Helmer, as the act passes, come out with his selfishness. But Dattani's plays are of healing rather than of destruction. As I told you, that Dattani has a middle way solution which connect family, which connect society, which connect characters to each other. He does not believe in separation or destruction. There is another difference between Ibsenite drama and Dattani's drama, that comic element is important rather than tragic form. Dattani uses comic element through comic character, and drama remains light in mood than tragic. Though it is light in mood, the message is always serious in terms of condition or in terms of um, form. Another important character of Dattani's play is the human spirit is never crushed. All the characters of Dattani's are average human being. They neither a great hero nor a villain. They have all the virtues and vices in them. You can see good things in one character, at the same time follies, frustration, selfishness, and all the other small virtues. Mahesh Dattani shows human being as it is. This is the beautiful thing that Mahesh Dattani described in his drama, that we can see a core human spirit in his drama. He rearranges the social fabrication and projects the post-colonial operating at different level. Here the word is dichotomy. It means separate or divide into two different things. Here Mahesh Dattani have two has two different purposes for his dramas. At one level, he describes the universal message, and at the same time, he describes the psyche of the character. He is very strong playwright in this, we can say, in this narration. Now, let us talk about his different dramas and their themes division wise. Plays on violence and crime. Seven Steps Around the Fire. It is Mahesh Dattani's first radio play, aired in 1999. It is a story of Kamala's murder, investigated by Uma Das. Kamala was working on the research paper which deals with gender and violence. Meanwhile, she was murdered, and Uma Das was the person who investigated the murder. It is a very thrilling story about the murder of Kamala. The Swami and Winston is also based on violence and crime. Uma and Fair Queen, it is also the investigation story of the lead actor Michael Forsyth, who was the lead actor who supposed to be decided as lead hero in the drama Midsummer Night's Dream on the occasion of Indian Independence Day. Meanwhile, he was kidnapped and murdered, and the wife of Superintendent of Police of Bangalore, Uma Das, starts to investigate the kidnapping and murder of the lead actor. It is also based on Bangalore crime. Final solution. It is not about the murder of somebody, but it is about the riot between minority and majority. Hindu and Muslim riots are the theme of Final Solution. Plays on gay and lesbian relationship. Do the Needful and 7 Steps Around the Fire are the dramas which deal with marginalized section of gay and lesbian. Do the Needful is a story of clash between conventional or traditional ideology and modern ideology regarding marriage system in India. In Indian society, people are with very strong opinion regarding marriage system. Mahesh Dattani in this drama breaks the belief of typical marriage system of India. It is a story of gays and lesbian relationships of people, their life, their aspirations and ambitions. He also wrote plays on natural calamities, clearing the rubble, tale of a mother feeding her child are examples of this kind of plays. A second division of Mahesh Dattani's plays on music and dance. Morning Raga and Dance Like a Man are examples of plays on music and dance. Family plays. Tara is a family play. 30 Days in September, Bravery Fought the Queen, Where There Is a Will, and Do the Needful are examples of family play where family is a core theme of the play. Plays on disease and disabled. Tara is also a play on diseased and disabled. Ek Alag Mausam is another example of this kind of play. Now, let's have a look. Tara. It firstly performed as Twinkle Tara at Chowdia Memorial Hall, Bangalore on October 23rd, 1990 by Dattani's Playpen Performing Arts Group. We discussed in previous video that at the very beginning of Dattani's life and career, he formed one performing art group named Playpen. Later, it performed as Tara at Sophia, Bombay by Theatre Group on November 9, 1991 and directed by Alik Padamsee. Alik Padamsee was very impressed by Mahesh Dattani's play, and he said about Mahesh Dattani that Mahesh Dattani is the most serious contemporary playwright. Alik Padamsee was also directed. Alik Padamsee also directed some of Dattani's drama and made them into films. The drama which performed in Bombay was sprinkled with Bombay language. There are some issues in the theme of Tara or in the story of Tara, but before we discuss them, let us have a look at characters of Tara. There are main characters of the drama Tara. Tara, a protagonist, as at the same time victim of the story or victim of the people from typical Indian society. She is the daughter of Bharti and Mr. Patel. Chandan, you can also call him Dan. He is the son of Bharti and Mr. Patel and twin of Tara. You can say privileged twin of Tara. It is the only incident of the play where they born not only as twins but with we can say attached with each other, or we can say connected with each other physically. And this is the story of their separation physically and their unity mentally. Bharti, mother of Tara and Chandan. Patel, father of Tara and Chandan. Dr. Thakkar, surgeon. He is the representative of a corrected profession of today's modern medical profession. Dr. Kapoor, who is also very efficient doctor and play an important role in the separation of Tara and Chandan's body. Okay, now there isn't any list of characters, but we have some storyline and characteristics of characters in this slide. We will see the characteristics of characters in the next part of our video, that you can understand the problem of the drama Tara and the solution in the middle way of human psychology through the end of Tara. For today, for this video, this is it. We will see you soon. Thank you.